So today we are going to do a hair transformation video. Yes, I am so excited. You don't have any idea how excited I am to do this video. I have been wanting to do this video for a long time, but you know, life, my life. Finally, we are here and I will be finally sharing this to all of you. And yeah, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share this to all of you guys. This transformation video is different from my previous transformation video because that one were like rebond, keratin, and I also have a video on how to transform a brassy hair into a more of a ashy toned like a level 7 blonde or ash blonde, dark blonde, but that video was not very detailed at all. It was just a vlog. Me and my best friend were hanging together, we talked, and I decided to film that one. And yeah, that one is like more of a vlog type video. But on this one I am sharing to you a more detailed video on how I will transform my cousin Bambi's hair into a, I don't know if I could be inserting a picture here, from this into something this. So yeah, I am so excited. I cannot wait to share this to all of you. But before we get on to the tutorial, make sure that you give this video a like. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell. I always stumble on that word. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload an exciting video. Oh my gosh, can you see how excited I am, guys? So with that all being said, then if you want to know how to transform this hair to this, then you better keep on watching. So this is how her hair looks like before bleaching or before starting. So it looks pretty orange already. So this is going to be the bleaching powder that I will be using, and the developer that I'm using is this one too. This one is from Brimo. Both of them are available locally here in the Philippines, and you can find them at your local beauty store. So I'm just mixing the powder and the developer together. By the way, I'm using a 20 volume developer to bleach her hair, and it is safer, better safe than sorry, diba? So I'm just going to section her hair roughly, not too fancy. I'm just going to divide the upper and the lower parts of her head. So this is how it looks like. Nothing very fancy, smanchy. So I'm gonna start taking sections on this lower part of her head, and I am taking section that is perpendicular to her hairline. This is just to ensure whenever she wants her to tie her hair up, she will have that beautiful blend. So right now I think I am teasing her hair, but I decided that I forgot to, you know, do some weaving. So I did some weaving on her hair because we are doing a highlight on her hair. So I just comb it back and then started to decided to take a much smaller section, and after this I'm just going to weave her hair, and then I'm gonna tease it with my comb before applying the bleach. So in this one, I am applying the bleach 1 centimeter away from the scalp. You don't necessarily need to apply the bleach very close to the scalp. 1 centimeter or half an inch is all right, since I am planning to do a root, a darkened root on her. So just make sure to saturate the hair very well so that you will have a very even result. So right now I'm just securing the foil just to make sure that the bleach will not get out and transfer to the other hairs on her head. So just secure it very well. So I did 4 diagonal sectioning on this side, and then I repeated it on the other side as well. So after the 4 diagonal sectioning, I then went ahead to do some horizontal sectioning at the center up to the, I think, from the last part of the section of the lower head. So now I already finished foiling or applying bleach on the back portion of her head as well as the top portion, and I'm just going to process this for like around 20 minutes or so. Just keep on checking. And then on this part, I already finished the sides as well, but I already rinsed the back portion of her hair because it's already done. So now I already remove all the foils from her hair, and I also rinse out all the bleach from her hair as well. And also I already shampooed her hair and apply some hair treatment or hair mask. Hair mask is very important, guys, if you do chemicals treatments on your hair. So yeah, and then I will just be using this one from EPSA and Bremode for her shadow root. This is the combination that I will be using on her shadow root. This is widely available here in the Philippines, or you can find this on your local beauty store. Yeah, Bremode and EPSA. So I'm just sectioning her hair like this so that it will be easy for me. So I did a T-parting, and then I will be applying the shadow root starting from the nape area, since if ever that it would turn out really dark, then it will not be a problem since it's the back of the head. You want the lightness on the front of the head, so make sure that you always apply at the back of the head. So yeah, this is just how I think I applied the shadow root 2 inches from her roots. By the way, I also applied the shadow root on a wet hair. This is just to make sure that it will not come out too strong. It will dilute the product a little. And for the rest of her hair, I will be using this 3 combination. This will serve as our toner. So these are the combinations that I will be using. I'm using one from Bremode, EPSA, and Fusion. So I think some of you are familiar already with this brand. By the way, I am using 20 volume on both of the shadow root and the toner on the rest of her hair, so only 20 volume. So finally, we are done applying the toners to her hair, and we're just going to process this like around 5 to 10 minutes. It's time to blow dry. We are almost there, guys. I cannot wait to see the result. So this is how her hair looks like when straight. It's just so sad that the camera is not really picking up the true color of her hair, but I promise you guys, it is so beautiful in person. So look how shiny her hair is and so healthy. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just going to do some waves into her hair so that you will be able to see how it looks like when wavy or curled. You know, like the Instagram hair picture. So yeah, I'm so excited to show to you how it looks like when curled, guys. I was amazed when we finished this one, when I saw the footage of this hair transformation. I am so excited to share this to all of you. So here is our final look. I really love how her hair turned out, guys. What do you think? But for me, I really love it, not just like it. So I hope you enjoyed this hair transformation. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more hair and makeup or whatnot on this channel. So thank you so much for watching, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you.